Hey friends, if you encounter the error 2753, the file is not marked for installation on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Let it run through. Check all of the boxes and then click on view files. Click on OK and then click on delete. You will be able to delete the files which are necessary. The next one is to run as an administrator. Okay, let's say this is the file. Right click on it and select show more options. If you get the option to run as administrator, you can do that, but this is not present for all files, mostly for applications. So right click on the application, select run as administrator. The last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.